Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome again to the southern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Yesterday, when I made my video, my mind was
flooded with rivulets of thought.
And as I thought about what I was doing and what I was saying, I completely forgot one of my topics. You know, these things are totally unscripted. It's just me rambling off in the morning with a cup of coffee and talking about what I've created during the day and what I haven't created. Or sometimes I'll comment, and today I'm going to comment on other videos. Anyway, what I forgot to tell you yesterday is I forgot to put on my Pimp Daddy hat. My Pimp Daddy hat.
That's the way,
Yeah, my Pimp Daddy hat. Because I forgot to pimp the Atlas kits. I am getting very close. I am getting very, 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 very close to cutting wood. So, you will need to stand by, but in about a week, maybe in about a week, I should be able to do that. Right now, my list of people that want one of my 1/20th kits is right here in front of me. Now, I've received emails in the past, and in fact, the very recent past, but I need a good, solid commitment from you. So right now, I'm letting everybody know the list is right here in front of me. There ain't nothing on it. So let me know who you are and what you're looking for. Basically, the kits are going to be $50. The shipping's going to be $15. I can ship 5 kits for the cost of shipping 1. I could probably ship all of them, all 16 of them, for the cost of shipping 1. So, there you go. There you go. If you're an entrepreneur, buy my whole run of kits, save on shipping, turn around and sell them for 3 times that. One of the other things I said is commenting on videos. And today I would like to comment on Big B's very good video. Actually, what he told you was very good to know, very helpful, and will make your life a whole lot easier. I'm just going to add some salsa and guacamole on top of his meat and potatoes. Corrosion X, you do not want to get Corrosion X on your wires. So let's just say I was trying to get Corrosion X in here. It's in a spray bottle with the little tube, and you'd put that in there and just one, and it's, you don't have really good control with a spray bottle. You can buy a bunch of these point oiler tubes. You get like 5 or 6 of them for $5 or something like that. Or you might be able to find just the tubes empty. Fill these with Corrosion X, and then you have a needlepoint, very precise control over every drop. Or, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Real X. Real X is a lubricant for the ball bearings in your saltwater fishing reels. What is this stuff really? Why, hey, look, it's the same color as Corrosion X. I haven't studied it closely, but because the fact that they both use this X, they may have the same parent company, and it comes out of the same 55-gallon drums, you know? Anyway, this has a point oiler. It's the same stuff. So if you don't want to get a point oiler tube, you can always get it in this. So yes, follow Big B's advice. Don't get Corrosion X on your wires. It will harden them over time. And then if they flex, they'll just chip off and there's the bare wire underneath, and you don't want that. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.